Hello everyone and welcome back to another amazing food video. By the way, this video will also be available in Marathi, link in description or the iBox top right of your screen. But earlier this month I had the opportunity to visit Nashik, the wine city of India. I managed to do a street food tour of Nashik to visit some places in Nashik to get some amazing street food. Hopefully you enjoy this video. If you're new to the channel, by the way, be sure to click the subscribe button. Let's start the journey. Let's start visiting street food places in Nashik. Let's begin. First up on the list is Rogdoba Rolls, located on the popular College Road area of Nashik, a location which will be referred a lot in this video. It is a small stall which serves absolutely delicious rolls, as the name suggests. I opted for a chicken egg roll which cost me ₹60, but the rolls start as low as ₹20. He starts by cooking a pre-rolled maida roti and drizzles melted ghee over it. Adding some salt over it, an egg is then cracked on the still cooking roti, and he kind of scrambles and spreads the egg to completely cover the bread. Putting some more oil on it, he flips the roti and now lets the egg get cooked. After the roti is done cooking, it is passed on to the next station for all the fillings. The guy first spreads a healthy amount of mayonnaise and a tandoori sauce on the cooked roti. Then, adding the pre-cooked chicken that has been cut into bite-sized pieces, he finishes off by garnishing with freshly chopped onions and some ketchup, and then rolls everything together to make this compact cylinder of deliciousness. The egg was perfectly cooked, the roti was al dente, and the cooked chicken was seasoned very well. The mayo and the ketchup brought some sweetness to contrast the savoriness of the chicken, and the onion was like a hit of freshness in the mouth, making you ready for your next bite. The only thing I felt like was the flaw was the size of the roll. They could make it slightly bigger, but still very, very good. 9 out of 10. Next two spots I will cover quickly, both located again on the College Road. First up was Veggie Grill, located opposite the Domino's on College Road, where I got the pesto soya chap. Soya chap, for those who don't know, is a vegetarian substitute for meat, very popular in North India. The chaps were cooked well, were very creamy and easy to bite. However, the pesto sauce that it came in was a bit bland, with the pepper overpowering the salt and not really much other flavor to it. It was served with an onion-based salad with carrots and bell peppers, which was pretty good. However, they also took quite a while to complete my order. 6 out of 10. Our next place does not have a name, but it was a food van to be honest, serving delicious classical Maharashtrian food like vada pav and bhaji from a modified Omni. However, I tried the pav vada. Yes, you heard it right. Pav vada is basically an inverse vada pav, where the stuffing is put inside the pav first, which is then coated with the besan mixture before getting deep fried. Served with raw chilies and a very spicy chutney, this dish can become addictive. With some chai on a rainy day, it could make anyone's life complete. 8 out of 10. For the video's middle main event, I visited the Desi Swad Cafe adjacent to the College Road to try out a very controversial and polarizing dish. Desi Swad is a modern cafe serving pizzas and burgers and sandwiches. However, their signature dish is known as Magga Maggi, or infamously virally known on Instagram as Maggi Milkshake. I was both nervous and excited to try this out because, well, it's been said to be a milkshake with Maggi, and that sounds scarier than quite a few Bollywood horror stories. Fortunately, for my nauseating nervous self, the only similarities between Magga Maggi and a milkshake is the glass that it is served in. Costing ₹90 for a small glass, which is enough for one person by the way. It was well cooked Maggi, not too soft, with French beans, carrots, bell peppers, mixed with lots and lots of cream cheese sauce, the exact thing which makes it look like a milkshake, and is overloaded on the top with grated pizza cheese. The owner advised me to dig deep for the first bite, and so I did. What I experienced was a beautiful amalgamation of flavors I did not think could go well together. The noodles were al dente, veggies were cooked but crunchy, and the cream cheese sauce was absolutely heavenly. It was flavored well with oregano and some other Italian herbs as well as salt and pepper. And the cheese was literally like an icing on the top. Completely blew away my expectations. 9 out of 10. Before moving on from College Road, there are also many other spots that I wasn't able to try this time, including the Raja Burger, Samartha Vada Pav and Rock and Roll Cafe, which I will definitely try the next time I visit Nashik. It would have been a crime if after coming to Nashik I did not try some authentic Nashik misal. I had Nashik misal in Mumbai a couple of times and honestly it wasn't my favorite. But I had hopes, so I chose to visit Hotel Vihar on Gangapur Road. Well, I did visit the Tushar Misal house as well on the road between College Road and CBS, but they told me they were out of misal. A misal house was out of misal. But no worries, Hotel Vihar was there nearby. Of course, I ordered the normal misal pav, which cost me rupees 80. In one serving, the misal with shave on top is accompanied by buttered pavs, finely chopped onion, and pieces of lemon, curd, and spicy oil or tarri. First bite was obviously without the pav, and like a misal should, it did hit the throat, which seemed like a positive sign. However, this particular misal had a tiny hint of bitterness to it, which happens when the pulses being used become sprouted, especially moong. So that was kind of a downside on this experience. Everything else was pretty fresh, and the tarri somewhat salvaged my experience because it was really good, but being in Nashik, it was a bit disappointing to feel that I have had better misals in Mumbai. 6.5 out of 10. For the final spot of the street food tour of Nashik, I had to try the celebrated Jhatka Pani Puri at Shauqeen Pani Puri. Unfortunately, due to time constraints, I could not visit their OG branch in Panchavati, so I visited the one they had on Gangapur Road. My spice tolerance, to be honest, is very high, so I was not much concerned about my well-being. Essentially, this dish was just a plate of normal pani puris with 3 of them topped with a supposedly extreme spicy mixture of chickpeas and onions, and it was bright red in color. A bit intimidating, but that was alright. I took my first bite, and while trying to examine the flavor, I realized this wasn't it. The pani puri in itself was pretty mediocre, and the red hot spicy topping that was supposed to be a star of the show in my eyes actually became that character nobody ends up caring about. Yes, it was spicy, but apart from that, it was nothing. It had no real flavor. In fact, it was even lacking in salt. Spicy things are supposed to taste good along with being spicy, but this was exactly the opposite of that. Also, when I say spicy, it wasn't much of that either, at least for me. The only sweat I broke on that day was because of the October heat. Maybe the original branch might have done it better, but on this experience, paying 35 rupees for a very mediocre and overrated pani puri, this was very disappointing. 5 out of 10. I will definitely visit Nashik again once I get the opportunity to do it again and try the street food that I could not do it this time. Many areas were remaining. Panchavati I could not cover, even Gangapur Road I could not cover completely, but next time definitely. But this was it for this video. Again, the disclaimer that this video is also available in Marathi, so if you want to watch in Marathi, do check it out. Do let me know in the comments down below which street food you like the best or you would like to try the best in Nashik. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to click the like button. If you are new on the channel, click the subscribe button as well. Become a part of the family. And until the next video, I will take your leave. Take care and bye bye. Peace.